Are you tired of spending too much time and money on food every week? Meal prepping is the solution you need. With just a few hours of preparation each week, you can have healthy, delicious meal all week long. However, meal prepping can save you money by reducing food waste and allowing you to buy ingredients in bulk. So let's get started with the 5 meal prep ideas that will save you money and time. The first one is the messenger salads. Messenger salads are perfect for people who want to eat healthier but don't have a lot of time. All you just need to do for you to get this ready is to simply layer your favorite salad ingredients in a mason jar and you will have a fresh, delicious salad ready to go. The second one is the slow cooker meals. Slow cooker meals are a meal prep classic. You can make a large batch of food in your slow cooker and have leftovers for a week. However, slow cooker meals are great for using up ingredients that are about to go bad. And the third one is the freezer meals. Freezer meals are another great meal prep option. However, you should simply make a large batch of your favorite meal, portion it out and freeze it out for later. This is perfect for busy nights when you don't have time to cook. And besides, if you are gaining some values in this video, make sure you give this video a like, comment #mealprep below, or probably ask any question on this topic or any other topic on this YouTube channel, and then subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that you will not miss any of my videos giving you value like this one. With that said, let's get back into the video. And the fourth one is the sheet pan meals. Sheet pan meals are a great option for people who don't want to spend a lot of time cleaning up. All you need to do is to simply place your vegetables in a sheet pan and roast it in an oven. This is an easy way to get balanced meal without a lot of foods. And the last, which must not be the least, is the breakfast burritos. Breakfast burritos are a perfect meal prep option for busy mornings. All you need to do is to simply scramble some eggs, cook up some sausage or bacon and wrap all up in a tortilla, and also you can even freeze them for later. Meal prepping is an easy way to save time and money on food. However, give these 5 meal prep ideas a try and see how they can help you stay healthier and save money. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that you will not miss any of my videos.